Hi, I'm Rusty. Oh wait, no, I changed my name. I'm Firepaw. Never mind, I'm Fireheart. Yay, job promotion, I'm now leader. Wait, does that mean I have to change my name again? Anyways, I'm Firestar, and I'm the main character, and everyone either loves me or hates me. Also, I'm the golden retriever guy. I'm the main character, so obviously I'm the best. Fire saves the clan! Hi, I'm Blue Star, or at least when I was alive. I spent my whole life worshipping Star Clan, and then they decided to betray me. Yeah, that's right, I'm still mad about that. I had a forbidden love, and one of my kids died. Hee hee hee. +1! I'm dead. Hi, I'm Tiger Star, and everyone hates me. But what they need to know is that I have feelings too. No one cares. Hi, I'm Swiftpaw, and Tiger Star killed me with dogs. +2. Not again. Hi, I'm Brightheart. My face got ripped off because of dogs. Swiftpaw encouraged me to go fight with him. Sadly, he died, but I didn't. Everyone calls me beautiful, but deep down, I have crippling depression, and I do not feel beautiful. In fact, I feel very ugly. Also, Blue Star has some beef with me for some reason. Before I got my name changed, I was called Lost Face. Thanks, Cloudtail, for making Firestar change it. Hi, I'm Cloudtail. Obviously, I'm the best character, and I'm the coolest. I could yap about myself all the time. Also, my only purpose for living is Brightheart. I do not believe in Star Clan because I'm a rebel, because I'm a bad boy. Hi, I'm Gray Stripe. I'm basically Firestar's best friend. Also, he acts kinda gay around me even though he loves Sandstorm by admiring my broad shoulders. I almost got kicked out of the clan by Tiger Claw because he said I was eating too many mice, but I was really doing it to cover up what Firestar and Ravenpaw were doing. So I'm a fatty McFat big back. Hi, I'm Silverstream. I'm in a forbidden relationship with Gray Stripe. Well, then I died giving birth to his kids. Also, I'm very beautiful, and for some reason, everyone who draws me gives me realistic human hair. I don't know why. I'm a cat. The end. Hope you enjoyed this video of me simplifying and making warrior cats sound stupid. Comment who your favorite character was I did, and like and subscribe. You should do it now, or Gray Stripe will eat all your snacks out of your pantry.